WATE 6 on your side. Legal analyst Greg Isaacs is with us today. Thank you for being here.
It's great to be here, Lori.
We are talking about a case in Knox County that has been dominating the headlines. Joel Guy Jr. accused of killing his parents and trying to dissolve their bodies. As you all know, the evidence in court has been gruesome. It's an appalling crime. But Greg, here's our question for you. We have not seen the defense go with a mental health argument. Given what we know about this case, is that a surprise?
Lori, again, one of the most graphic, gruesome cases in East Tennessee history. It's gripping East Tennessee and the nation, being covered gavel to gavel by Court TV. But here's the legal standard for insanity. Could the defendant conform their conduct to the requirements of the law based, or could they not, based on a mental disease or defect? Now, the facts introduced by the prosecutors in this case are just clearly bizarre and shocking. He murdered his parents with knives. He dismembered their bodies. He had industrial solvents. He had ground up parts of their body.
According to the prosecution.
According to the prosecution. When the police arrived, body parts were soaking in tubs. His mother's decapitated head was in a boiling pot of liquid on the stove.
Let me stop you right there. Why don't we hear an insanity plea?
Because the prosecution introduced this journal, and the journal methodically lays out a plan. It says, basically, get knives, get a blender, get a meat grinder, get industrial solvents.
So it all goes to premeditation?
Premeditation. He had been buying supplies for weeks and days prior to this event. So if the legal test is because of a mental disease or defect, you couldn't control your conduct to the requirements of the law at the time, the forensic experts probably said, well, he's been planning this for days and weeks.
It's a wide time frame.
So he was not under duress. He was able to think clearly. He's charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder, 2 counts of abuse of a corpse and felony murder. So clearly that diary shows premeditation. But Lori, you're going to one of the rare cases where the defense maybe there is no defense. And to make a bizarre case even more bizarre, the judge has granted the motion to allow Guy to serve as his own lawyer if he's convicted, to ask the jury to sentence him to death. Ironically, the person that killed his parents in a bizarre manner is now asking to address the jury and say, hey, take my life also. But Lori, once again, the bizarre gets more bizarre. It's not going to happen because the state did not file a notice of death 30 days prior to trial. So it's going to be more theater, more shenanigans. But it is one of the strangest things that someone, the human mind, could act in that manner and commit such a gruesome, graphic crime and experts not find you insane.
It's horrific and sad all the way around.
It's very sad.
All right, Greg, thank you.
Thank you.